Hi, Hayden here, and this might just be the shortest unboxing video that you're ever going to see. This is the Crucial by Micron, the Crucial MX300 2.5-inch SSD, 2.50 gigabytes, 2 terabits. And let's go ahead. I've already broken the seal on this thing because it was real tough to break that. Inside there was a sheet of paper with some registration information on it, no other instructions. There's the drive and what I could only presume is some kind of a frame to elevate this device off of a deck or something. For some reason, I'm not sure what that's for because there's no instructions in it. Anyways, here's the drive. It's very small. It's very, very light. It's got 2 screw holes on each side and 4 screw holes in the bottom in which to mount this thing into the case. And the connections are very, very simple. One of them is for power and the other one is for data to communicate through the motherboard. So with that, we're going to go ahead and make another video of me actually installing this thing in the motherboard, into the hard drive case, shall we say, the computer case of the computer that I just built and made all those videos about. So it's a very simple device. It should attach simply, and it should it should give me just a whole lot of storage for video material and for other files that I want to park on this computer that I just put together. So with that, until we see you in the next video, take care and be well.